Hi, today I'm going to tell you about how I take HTML notes, and I'm going to tell you that I'm taking HTML notes by writing directly into the HTML file, so when I create a page, I'll be displaying my notes at the same time. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my h.html notes as a reference, and then I'm going to type in every HTML notes here in this HTML document. So first thing I want to do is I want to create the structure of the HTML, and the structure is usually the first thing that it was the first thing that I learned about when I started reading an HTML book. And the structure has an doc type tag, HTML tag, a head tag, and a body tag. And sometimes it has a script tag in the head section. Now, after reading for a while and reading about tags, I've learned that tags are placed either in the head or the body. And here I'm going to start teaching you about the tags. So let's say I was reading a book, and then I learned about a tag P. Okay, and let's say I don't know anything about P. After further reading, I learned that P, the tag P, is a paragraph. And so I'm going to note what the tag P is, and it's going to be noted as a paragraph. And I'm going to open my HTML file, and it's going to say tag P is a paragraph. Now that's my note, and that's also going to be my HTML page, part of my HTML page. And then let's say after further reading, I learned about the iframe. Now the iframe doesn't have any text to it, but we can add comments, and we can comment what the iframe is, and we don't know what the iframe is. And after further reading, we learned that the iframe creates a window. And then if you don't know what source is just a reference of a page to display in the iframe, and that'll be our note for the source and the iframe. Here we're going to put h.html as our source, and let's take a look at what we've created. And here we've created an window with a page, and that page is we didn't create the page, but we've for h.html. Now the next thing we the next thing we learn, let's say after a while, we learn about we learn about links. We learn about the a tag, and we learn that the a tag is a link to a page or a website. And here we can add href is a reference to a site or a page, and here we're going to use our page h.html, and we're going to add a break here, a new line. And here, when we hover over our note that a tag is a link or a page, a link to a page or a website, we hover it, it's going to show us a hand, and we can click on it, and it's going to show us our h.html page. The next thing we're going to learn about is let's say we learn about is the ordered list, and for the ordered list, we don't know what the ordered list is, and then after a while of reading, we learned that the ordered list OL is a numbered list, and that's going to be our note. And then let's refresh the page, and then we have our note here. The ordered list OL is a numbered list. So this is the this is an example of how I write notes for HTML, and then and I'm just going to end it here, and I'm just going to show you my h.html notes, and I'm just going to explain a little bit about how to navigate the page. So here I've got an HTML page mixed with a CSS page, and so you can see different colors and different styles of formats. And here, if you want to if you see anything that you want to study about, you can highlight it and copy it, then go to the text editor and then press Ctrl F, and it'll pop up a search box, and then you can press Ctrl V, and here you can search for the font styles, and here it says font styles, and we're looking at styles, and the font size is our font style that we're using, and 50 pixels is the pixels that we've placed for a font size. Now, if we want to learn about formatted text, we can copy this and do the same. Copy and paste. Oops, copy and paste. Font style. And here it's highlighting the formatted text here. And here it doesn't have the tags, but in our notes we have the tags. Now, I didn't write too much notes, but if I were to write more notes, I would write here B, and then bold text, and B will show up here, and then but I didn't write the tag, so it can be a bit confusing. without the tags. And then let's see. And that would be it for my notes, I guess. Let's see, yeah. This is all my notes, and if I can't read it, if I can't really, if after a while, I'd forget how to I'd forget how to use HTML notes. I can't just look at the HTML page, but I can go into the HTML document and learn from there. But for this document, there's not enough notes for me to learn. But they showed me how the codes are implemented, and then I can reference these texts and then see what they're doing in the page also, because the page also has a search box that you can search if you type Control F, and you can just copy them from here and press Control F, and here it's going to say jump to headers, and when I click on this, it's going to jump to Hello World. That's one of our headings, and that's one of my headings, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching.